Hello everybody, and welcome to another video. My name is Jim Pastor Martis, and in this video, I'll be giving you an update on the negative interest rates that the Bulgarian banks started charging last year. In the last video that I made, I specifically spoke about the wealth tax, and I called it wealth tax because, well, they're charging a negative interest rate specifically to folks that have 6 figures and up. I think the smallest limit that I had seen was 200,000 levs, but typically it would be 500,000 levs and up. And so basically how that works for those that haven't followed what's going on is if you have a certain amount of money in the bank will charge you a negative interest rate at the end of the year. So for example, if the limit is 500,000 levs, at the end of the year, they will charge you a certain percentage above the 500,000 levs, right? So if you have 1,000,000 levs, the excess 500,000, they will charge a percentage at the end of the year. And, depending on how much money you have, that can actually be like a huge amount, right? It can be thousands, tens of thousands of levs, and so on. Some banks even charge big monthly fees, not the regular 10, 15 levs a month that you pay for your maintenance, your account, but hundreds and hundreds of levs every single month. The update basically is, as of the 1st of August, several banks made the decision to completely halt negative interest rate charges. So at the end of the year, we're not going to have a negative interest rate with several banks. I know that KBC Group made the decision quite explicitly, and they will not have negative interest rates. So Raiffeisen, which I spoke about in the last video, is no longer Raiffeisen. It's now under KBC Group. It's been acquired by them. They no longer have the big monthly fees or the annual fees. And the same goes, of course, for UBB, which I believe is also under KBC Group. I know there are other banks as well, but I haven't called. I would suggest that you make sure to do that. If you have over 200,000 levs, do it. If you don't, I wouldn't really worry about it. I don't think it would affect you. I don't think there would be negative interest rate for you. But I think this is especially important because if you do have more than 200,000 and you are with a bank that still hasn't changed that policy and will still charge negative interest rate at the end of the year, you could potentially save thousands of levs by just allocating funds to a bank that does not have negative interest rates, such as UBB or generally the KBC Group. I'm just saying, give a call to the bank, make very sure that you're not affected by this right now. You're not going to be affected at the end of the year. It's possibly just going to cost you, I don't know, a 10-15 minute phone call and could potentially save you thousands and thousands of levs. So I would definitely suggest that you do that. Yeah, that's all I have. Guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We have a goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers. We're sitting at about 750 at this moment. I'm very appreciative of all your support, getting tons of motivation from it. Hit the subscribe button, help the channel grow. Hit the like button if you like the video. Also, you can leave a comment with any feedback you have or any questions. I respond to possibly 97% of all comments that across my videos, and we have had many comments on some videos. As long as you're respectful, relevant to the content, I'm very happy to converse. So leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback. Once again, hit the subscribe button for me, yeah? All right, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video.